3 to 4 hours over $200 extra for a tray of egg. Shit's ridiculous. I wanna call this someone who wants one national hero. And someone not say yo, this someone that he never did mentally stable, so how I'm supposed to it's not a conscious effort to get some sort of justice or some sort of I'm not going to righteous and older than though, but you look on the logic side situation, dog. Innocentical, nonsensical. It don't make no sense. He's stupid. Brown man are fucked, man, waste man. Anyone I think if you think say I'm a general for this, you're part of the problem, you're the next set of waste man.
Maybe that is why most of social media users now say the incident was over $200 Jamaican. Brown man wanted to buy a tray of eggs, which cost $1,200 Jamaican. Brown man was short $200.